Hello everyone, my name is Atef Arfa. In this course in BZ 660 with Professor Naji Yazdi, we want to talk about result of Indigo test, about relationship about between my skills and my behavior and my leadership management and these kind of skills. About my strengths, as shown in this picture and in this graph, this stems from my perfection's spirit that I train to be in high level, and which makes me always strive to be the best version of myself. And as you see about my strengths, they shown perspective to improve yourself or your situation, willing to share knowledge for the benefit of the team or your company. And as you see about top five skills in this picture, like coaching, creativity. I act like a leader, and like a leader next to the team member, and I always solve problem with them alongside with my team member. In another slide, as you see in your skills graph, at the end of this graph, they showed resilience, like my lack of my behavior, the most important areas that need to improve about my behavior is resilience, and I know that. And in last Indigo result in HRMT 622, I did it before Indigo test, they show me crisis management. And when you see end of this graph, appreciating others, it shows another weakness about myself, but actually honestly I don't believe it. Maybe because maybe I made mistake in answering some question, but as I so sociable, I didn't accept this weakness about myself. What plans do I have to improve these areas about resilience? The fact that I know came out of my home country, out of the safe margin of living in my home country with complete prosperity, and there here I have to start everything from zero, from even under zero, to rebuild another life for myself, for my family as well, and help. I have to help myself to improve my resilience here. Actually, I have to. I have had to comfort this area of my personality and have to improve it in order to survive and continue in this country. What should I do? Um, I plan for myself some plan for be calm in all situation, and for example something like deep breaths, and be in other communication with my friend from another country, something like this kind of plan. I have to improve myself in this case. um, Sections related to management and leadership skills in this report. I have to focus on time management based on result of Indigo, and completing plans in time without wasting the time. Some suggestion about this Indigo test was very good for me. For example, since I'm very sociable, in this report it was suggested that I shouldn't put my desk near the traffic, and if I had to do this, I should avoid eye contact with the person who passed by. And because in fact these short conversation with me, myself, and some people who pass by there next to my desk, for example, it will be helpful, this conversation, in my opinion, but it will lead to the loss of and the time for my plan. As I mentioned, I did Indigo before in HRMT 622 assessment on crisis management. I was prepared to be weak in crisis management in that result, but it wasn't show in this result. So in fact, during these few months, I tried my best. I tried to improve myself, and I think I succeeded. And thank you so much. Thank you for your attention, and thank you, Indigo, for this reporting.